The fact that you actually clicked on this video is the reason why girls don't reply you or why you absolutely suck at texting girls. But not anymore. The only problem you'll have after watching this video is which girl to text first or if you even have time to text girls. So let's get into it. The worst thing you can do while texting a girl is just overthinking it, like it truly is. For example, if a girl's replied you after 9 minutes, then you just overthink it and calculate that you replied her after at least double of that, so you decide to reply her after 18 minutes. Like this is where most guys go wrong because girls can actually make out that you're own or like you're over analyzing it and you're calculating this time, and it's just so cringe and unattractive, and it's kind of repellent if you ask me. Honestly, the best thing to do while texting girls is just to text, like just text without thinking about it. Like for example, if you asked out a girl in public, then just text her with something funny that happened while you were asking her out. And if you don't know how to ask out a girl, then you should probably watch a video of mine which have like literally provided a script which you can follow while asking out a girl in public. So I'll leave its link in the description and you can check it out later. Overthinking while texting a girl, like it literally proves that you have an extremely boring life. Like ask yourself, would you reply to a guy who literally spends his time calculating the amount of time he should wait before replying back to you? Like, how beta would he be? That literally screams you have nothing more interesting going on in your life. When you ask out a girl, you're practically inviting her into your life. So, what you're doing by overthinking is you're literally asking her that, hey, please come join my boring life. Why would she? I know it's very easy to overanalyze while you're texting a girl you really like. So the best thing to avoid that is to actually have an interesting life yourself. Like you should not even have time to overanalyze or calculate time to just wait to text her. Your life should be so happening that you actually just have to reply her only if you got time. The problem here is not that you can't text girls or you're just ugly. The real problem here is that you've got a lot of free time, and when you've got a lot of free time, you just happen to overanalyze this stuff because of the desire for love, like the desire for sex, the want of being with a girl is the strongest feeling there is. Like I agree with it. So the best thing to do is just have a life so interesting and so happening that she actually, wants to be in your life. The only solution to this is just having an extremely fun and interesting life that you don't even care if she's replied to you because of the amount of fun you're having to just be bothered with that bullshit. Like start working on your body, start working on your business, and just go out and live and have fun with your family, your friends, and text girls only if you've got time in the middle of your fun and interesting life which she is now wanting to get into. And honestly, this is the only genuine advice you can get for texting girls. All other videos on YouTube are absolute garbage. Trust me, nothing will ever work. This is the only way you can actually get better at texting girls. Just live your life and be you when it comes to girls and have fun. And now, if you're wondering that, yeah, this all sounds really cool, but now how do I actually, how do I actually have fun? I'm a boring person. What do I do? I've actually built a free community, like no strings attached, absolutely free, a community on Discord, which just allows people from all around the world to just join in and just chat whenever you feel like. If you have a problem or anything, a guy can just come up if he has a solution to it. You can chat about your random questions, your intrusive thoughts, your date ideas, your gym queries, anything about it. You can just hop on it and text, and that's it. You have a solution to that. And currently, if the community seems too small for you, I also have a newsletters planned which will be immediately in action as soon as this video is out, and you can sign up for that. And what you'll be signing up for is just weekly newsletters from my side, which will just tell you about my weekly plans, my weekend plans, so you can actually just follow it if you can. And if not, I'll also be posting a lot about just building up your confidence, mastering your mindset, and just improvising your social and dating skills. And if that seems good to you, and by the way, all of this is actually like totally free, no strings attached. And if this sounds good to you, just sign up to that too. And I think I'll see you guys there.